premiere of Spirit Riding Free is now on Netflix. We found wave 2 of the Spirit Riding Free blind boxes at Walmart for less than $5 each. They have a red-orange stall, and I used our little cheat, so hopefully we don't have any doubles. What is the cheat? If you look under the stall, there is a little number here, and the very last number usually correlates to the horse that is inside. So this one has a 1, here is 2, 3, and so on and so on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I'm missing number 6. Someone beat me to it. But I am really excited to see what's inside, so let's get started. This is blind box number 1, and this is so exciting. I'm just gonna rip into this box here. Let's see, what do we have inside? Looks like a white horse. It has little white spots all over it, like a flea-bitten gray, a black mane, and an ombre tail. This is number 2, and what do we have in here? This is a gray horse with black speckles, white markings, and a black mane and tail. It also has the same sculpt as Spirit from Wave 1. Inside of box number 3, ooh, this looks like Spirit with the body paint when he did the race with Lucky. And he has that classic Spirit stance where he's standing all tall and his hair's flowing. Love it! In blind box number 4, we are going to find... It's a little difficult to open sometimes. There we go. Free the horses. And this is... Oh, is that Chicalinda? Yep. Chicalinda is running this time with her hair blowing in the wind. My herd is looking pretty good. In blind box number 5, we are going to find... This is so exciting, opening every single blind box. Boomerang! Boomerang has painted pink flowers in his mane, and he has his head turned just right for the perfect selfie. And of course, he's walking the opposite direction of all of the other horses in the herd. We don't have box number 6, so we are going to jump to box number 7, which is a chestnut horse with a dark brown mane and tail and white stockings. That one seems to be following Boomerang. In box number 8, this is the very last one that we have for today, and it's a foal, and it's dapple gray, my favorite color. Check. So we have the whole collection except for this one right here, which means I'm about to go on a crazy toy hunt to find it. These horses are by Just Play. Briar also has Spirit Riding Free mini horses. This is a stablemate of Spirit, and he has a very powerful look, like he's charging. He is serious. Can you see that look in his eyes? The Briar stablemates are similar in size to the Just Play horses, but I think they're like a tiny bit larger. The Briar horses are very realistic. I mean, you can see veins in his face and everything. While the Just Play horses look like they stepped right out of the cartoon. But if you're a Spirit fan like me, you'll probably collect them both. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time. And that's our collection for now.